For unit 4, we're going to start off with looking at compass direction. So let's first of all identify the 4 main cardinal points. So we have north, then south, because these two are the main 2 points. Then we have west and east that make up the 4 main cardinal points. This now can be divided into the 8-point compass. So we already have north, south, east, and west. We know that north is the dominant one. So if we have north and east here, we know that since north is the dominant point, we put north first and then we put east. So in between we have northeast. We do the same principle down here. So here we would have south, then east. So we have southeast. And over here we have west first. Sorry, south first, then west. And then we have at the top north, then west, so we have northwest, and this will be our 8-point compass. Now that can be divided into the 16-point compass. So let's continue that same principle. So between north and northeast we have a point that's actually there. North is the dominant point, so we put north first and then we put the northeast, so we have north, northeast. Same principle applies between east and northeast. East would come first, right, followed by the northeast, and then we continue with that principle as we go along the points, as we can see here. So this is an easy way to remember the points. North and south, they're the dominant ones, followed by east and west. Now let's look at the steps for finding direction of places. The first thing is that we have to locate the 2 places. Then we draw a line that meet both places. After which now you're going to determine where you're taking the direction from so that you can draw up your compass. So whenever you're asked to take the direction from a given place, you usually put the compass at the second point. So in this example, A from B, you put your compass at B. If it says 2, that would be the opposite. So instead of looking at the second place, you're going to be focusing on the first place. So that's the principle. Once it says find the direction from, you place the compass at the second point. If it says 2, then you place it at the first point, after which you determine your point, whether it's northeast, northeast, southeast, and so on. Let's look at this example. Find the direction of A from B. It says from. So in this case, you know that you're going to be drawing your compass at B, which is the second point. So we have the points A and B. We draw a line to connect both. Then we draw our compass at B. Based on the 16-point compass, what direction does this look like? It seems like it's between north and west, right? So in this case, we can say that the answer would be northwest. As we can see here, that line is going in between north and west. Another example, find the direction of C from D. So we identify the 2 points there. We draw our line to connect both. And of course it says from D, so we're going to put the compass at the second point, which will be D. And if we look at the compass now, we see north, west, south, and east. So it's just below west. So in this case, our direction would be west, south, west. And if you look here, the line is just below west. So in that case, our answer is correct.